Just holds it shut. You open it and all the breeze you want. Hey guys, welcome back. We're back on the Rhino project, and I had a company reach out to me for a new windshield, and that is Kemi Moto. They reached out and they have a new flip-up windshield for the Rhinos. So if you guys are interested, I'm gonna put a link down below for the windshield, and we'll get right into it here installing this. Alright, we got the bottom part installed, and in the instructions it makes sure there's a 4 and a 3 inch, I believe, clamps, and it wants to make sure you put the flat piece on the back side for when it wraps around your bar and you go to tighten it up, it'll pull it all tight. I just had it set and loose in there right now. I love how it has that the logo and it's like etched in there. That's really nice. So I'm gonna start doing the top now, and I'll get back to you in a minute, guys. I was looking at the instructions, and you want to go ahead and put your top bar mounts on, and that'll hold it in place. And then you go through, and instead of locked back here, that's what keeps the door from opening. So you just lock that down, and it'll kind of set it where it needs to be. So I'm gonna start next by installing these shots. There's a little bracket you have to put on your bar, and that's to hold the window open if you want it to be open. So, all right, the next step is they gave you these little alignment papers or stick-ons. That tells you where you need to mount your shock bracket. So I'm gonna go ahead and throw this on. I'll try to get a video of this, but it's probably not a good angle. Alright, I got my shock all mounted here onto that plate. Well, I was looking for a nut for this shock bolt here. I don't know if you can see it with the sun. Yeah, there you go. And I guess you just thread this into the stud, into this mount, and then you bolt it on. So I'll show you over there how I did it. Made it a little easier. Alright, so over there, I did it the other way, but this side, just take your mount and go ahead and just tighten this nut up with it because it threads right in. And then they give you a little wrench for it. And you just take your two other straps with your nuts and just wrap it around. Push your windshield up, and I'll show you when I get it done. It's a lot easier this way though. Alright, we got her all installed. The Kemi Moto flip-up windshield. And it's pretty sweet. So you get in here, and this little handle just holds it shut. You open it, and all the breeze you can want. My other one was good, but it had the split little vents, and they would hit my hands when I turned. Now, if I get hot, just flip this up. Or if the wife gets cold, just close it and lock it down. Hey, if you guys are needing any products for your UTVs or side-by-side or anything, hit up Kemi Moto. I'm gonna put a link down to this windshield for the Rhino, but they also have soft covers, they have windshields, they have everything. Anything you think of, Kemi Moto probably makes. But I appreciate you watching the video, and until next time, see ya.